If you've ever turned on your hot tub only to find that nothing is coming out of your jets, well, then you've probably got a hot tub airlock. And that means you've got air trapped in the plumbing lines. But don't panic, there's an easy fix. Here are 2 simple ways to get that air out of your system and your hot tub water flowing again. Check it out. First, how does air get locked in a hot tub? Airlocks usually happen after you've drained and cleaned your hot tub and you've refilled it with fresh water. When you drain water out of your spa, water also drains out of the pump and the plumbing lines, which power the jets. As you refill your tub, the water should run into the jets and refill the lines, but that doesn't always happen. Sometimes the air in the pump and the jet lines can create a block, preventing water from running into the lines. If there's no water in the pump or the lines, there's no water for the jets to push into the hot tub. This is really bad for your pump too. You never want to run your pump when there's no water in it. Without water, your pump's motor could burn up. But not to worry, an airlock is an easy problem to fix. All you have to do is prime the pump, and there are 2 ways to do that. Let's start with the easiest of the 2 methods, burping your hot tub jets. By just pushing a few buttons, you can quickly fix a hot tub airlock. Step number 1, find the priming mode on your spa's control panel. If you don't have that, you can still use this method. Step number 2, turn the jets on low for 10 to 20 seconds. Step number 3, switch the jets to high for another 10 to 20 seconds. Step number 4, repeat this a few times until the jets are working and there's no gurgling or air bubbles. If it doesn't clear the airlock after 3 or 4 times, stop the procedure to avoid damaging the pump and try the second method, expelling air directly from your pump. Now, you may need some tools to do this, like a screwdriver and pliers. Step number 1, turn off the hot tub GFCI breaker. Like we always say, electricity and water, they do not mix. Step number 2, open the access panel in the hot tub's cabinet. You may need a screwdriver for this. Step number 3, locate the pump and close the valve on the discharge side. Step number 4, locate the bleeder valves. These are plastic-looking bolts usually located at the north, east, south, or west positions on the face of the hot tub pump motor. Step number 5, slowly turn the bleeder nut until you hear air hissing out. You may need the pliers or a wrench to loosen it. It may look like a flathead screwdriver would work, but it's easy to damage the plastic that way. You don't want to remove the nut all the way, just loosen it a little. You'll hear hissing and then some water. And then once the hissing sound stops and you see a stream of water, that means the air is out. Tighten the bolt back up, and if you don't tighten it properly, water can leak from it and cause problems, so be sure to replace it properly. Turn the breaker and the spa back on to check the jets. Now, if the bleeders didn't work, you may need to release air at the pump unions. This is where the pump attaches to the rest of the plumbing. Again, don't loosen them too far, just until the hissing sound stops or you start to see water gurgle out. Then tighten them back up. Real quick, before we continue, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your hot tub questions, go check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of hot tub. And the best part is, we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. Now, there's one popular trick for fixing a hot tub airlock, and that's the plunger method. Yeah, some folks like to take a plunger into the filter housing and plunge the air out. Now, while this technically works, we do not recommend using a plunger. The force of plunging may damage your circulation system, and it could also void your hot tub warranty. Remember, your hot tub is a little more complicated than, say, a clogged toilet. Now, what if you've done all of these steps and you're still having problems? First, you want to check for other water flow issues. Clean your filter and check for other clogs or leaks. Second, you want to make sure that the water level is above the skimmer. If not, your pump may not be getting enough water. Finally, don't give up after one try priming your pump. Sometimes it takes multiple attempts to clear the hot tub airlock. But if nothing is working and you're just not comfortable doing it yourself, don't hesitate to call a professional. It'll cost money, but it's better than frying your pump. Remember, never run your pump for more than 2 minutes if you're not absolutely sure it's filled with water. So that's it. Hot tub airlocks are pretty common, but hopefully now you'll know how to fix it. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the hot tub handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/spa. Don't forget to enter that promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.